Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, leçon C. And in this lesson we'll see together what we call les homophones. So it's actually quite interesting in that lesson. So we'll talk about words that you will write differently, but then phonetically you will pronounce them the same way. And of course, they will have different meanings. Okay, so let's start now. And the first one is un air. Okay, we'll make this little link between the two, un air. Okay, and here you've got the translation in English. And then you've got une air. Okay, so you can see that you write it differently, but then clearly phonetically it's the same, une air. And this is the translation in English. Une amende. Une amende. And that's what it means. And then une amende. So here you can see that the only difference is here you've got and here you've got a. Okay, so amende, amende, and the meaning is fine. We're talking here about the nice little gift you will get if you break the law. Une amende. Une encre. Une encre. And then feminine as well, une encre. Okay, so you can see here that the only difference is a here and then here. Okay, so une encre and une encre, it's the same. Un bar. Un bar. And then une barre. Okay, so you can hear that it's exactly the same way that you pronounce, but then you've got r, and then e. Okay, une barre. Okay, so in that case it's this adjective, bon, and the meaning is good in English. Okay, bon, all right, and here we've got substantive, un bon. Un bon. Un bout. Remember, final T not pronounced. Un bout. Une boue. Okay, so here the only difference between the two is here you get T at the end and here you get E at the end. Une boue. Un but. Un but. Une butte. Une butte. Un sang. Okay, remember this G here doesn't exist, so un sang. And then here we've got this sans. Quite useful because it means without, sans. And we've got a third one, cent, written like that, and it's 100. Okay, so un cent, cent, cent. Un champ, un champ. Un champ. Un champ. So here it's quite tricky because if you look carefully, well, of course you pronounce them the same way because that's the topic of this video, but then masculine in both cases. So un champ, un champ. Un col. Un col. Une colle. Une colle. And that's it for this lesson. If you want more videos, then the channel is here on YouTube, and then like me on Facebook. I will be so happy. facebook.com/imagier.net, and then the website is here. Have a great day. Bye bye.